Ahoy, shipmates! Welcome to the Crow's Nest. Tonight with me, I've got First Mate Chris.
Ahoy!
So, what's going on? I hear you ask. We've been doing a lot of live paint-alongs for a little while now, and we've cooked up this idea. First Mate Chris has not painted anything, so we're going to take this unique opportunity to do a paint-through of. He's chosen the Viking 4-point starter box set from Gripping Beast Plastics. So that's what he's going to be doing over the next, probably few months. So what we do tonight is we're going to go through that. We're going to do the first one tonight, which is an unboxing, because he's never unboxed anything before.
Nope.
Whilst we're at it, on the table here, I grabbed a quick selection of some Gripping Beast products. You obviously got the Saga rule books, the Age of Viking, and your dice. And then the Roman War. This is the 4-point starter sets they do in plastics. Roman Warband, Viking Warband, Anglo-Saxon stroke Danes, and the Saracens. But what First Mate Chris will be concentrating is the Vikings. Yes, because he's a bit of a Viking, really. Vikings technically pirates as well.
Yeah, they go on boats.
Don't quote me on that. Okay, so once we have completed the task of, once Chris has completed the task of painting them, I'm going to paint alongside them and paint these bad boys. And then the last video in this series will be a battle between these two factions. These warbands will meet and battle to the death on the final video.
With lots of paint on them.
With lots of paint on them. And that video will probably be on Pirate Rich Plays rather than at home here on Pirate Rich Paints. Okay, so I'll move these to one side and here we go.
To the unboxing.
To the unboxing.
Right, now I'm on my own. Let's unbox and see what we've got here. So these are the Vikings. This is a 4-point warband. I don't know what that means yet. I'm sure I will do in the next few weeks. So if we open this up here, inside the box we have got, I'm assuming these are the bases, possibly. Then we've got to cut them off somehow. Some more bases. So I assume that's how many soldiers I've got.
Yeah.
So what
Kinda.
Kinda.
Have a look on the back.
Oh, okay.
There's a big hint on the back.
Yeah, that's a very big hint.
That's a shame. Yes. Everyone's seen these before. You haven't.
No.
So that's what's in the box. That's what yours is going to look like when you're done.
Hopefully. We can hope.
Have faith.
There is I'm assuming that's a bigger base.
Yep, that's for your warlord.
Oh, okay. Have I got one of these? Yeah, I've got one of these in here.
It's
on the back of the box, as we just found out. One warlord. Oh, what's going on here?
Ah.
Oh, there's multiple of them. Okay. It looks like someone's gone to a House of Horrors and cut everyone up and put them on a...
Good, yeah. They're called sprues.
Sprues, okay. So we've got our sprues here. So how many of those have we got? If I lay them out here. You get quite a lot in a box.
Yeah, were you expecting just like made miniatures to fall out?
No, but
You hoped.
I hoped.
That's what we all hope.
Made ones ready to paint. Oh, that's cool. Look. Still a couple more. Alright, so as you can see, you get quite a lot in a box, so definitely have enough to start our army.
And that's what it says on the box.
Yeah, for £26 you get quite a lot of miniatures there. So, no, it's definitely going to be interesting.
So that is your warlord sprue there.
Yep. So that'd be our main guy here.
Yeah. And in this box set you actually get, if you flip him over. Oh no, you were right side. So you've got like the horn as well, so you can have like on his base you can build a musician to go alongside him.
Oh, cool.
it's
So
like
that's the
bloody-
smaller one here.
No, you can keep it on there.
On the same base.
You can put it on a separate base if you wish, but
Okay.
but obviously that's you get choices of which heads you want to put on, but we'll cover that in the next video.
Yeah.
But as you can see there, everyone's seen these, well, except you.
Yep. So the next video, I assume we'll be getting
Shot in the
these.
box for you.
I assume we'll be getting these off these plastic things.
Yeah, sprues.
Yeah, sprues, and doing the first bit of painting. Is there any?
So where we've swapped from every week we were doing a live, we're swapping to 2 weeks on the lives, and in between we'll prepare one of these videos. So the next one of these will be out in 2 weeks' time, in the exciting world of cutting and preparing.
Oh.
And then we shall endeavour to make a file for these so you can view them as one continual project.
Yeah, looking forward to
And
it.
see how you do.
Yeah, well, hopefully I can put these people together well.
It's Vikings.
Hopefully they won't have arms missing and stuff like that. But...
They shouldn't. And then you get a nice set of shiny Viking dice.
Oh, nice. Oh, they've got rings on it, haven't they?
Yeah, runes. Yeah. That'll all be explained when we actually get to the point of playing it. We've got to do the work before we get to the play.
Exactly.
Right, I think that's probably all we can do for an unboxing because everyone's seen these. And we've seen the box and we've seen the sprues you get. So I think we'll leave it there. It's a bit of an introduction
Yes.
to first mate Chris, because we've not seen Chris before.
No.
Many of you have seen me on shows and stuff, but this will be a bit of a fun time adventure. And you've got 2 weeks now if you want to paint along with us to get in touch with Griffin Beast and order a box. Then you can actually paint along with us.
Yeah, definitely.
And as I said, I get the Anglo Danes done in the background. Okay, well, thanks for joining us. It's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.